IT professionals, why you have an accent. If you're taking this course, you've realized that your foreign accent prevents North Americans from understanding you. So why is this happening to you? What's creating your foreign accent? Well, right now, you're habitually transferring the sounds and patterns of your native language to American English. This creates speech that sounds unfamiliar to Americans, and it may be quite difficult for people to understand. The way you speak might feel good to you, but American listeners won't always understand what you're saying. Here are some of the most common communication challenges for IT professionals. Number 1, syllable stress challenges. Spoken American English has rules for syllable stress that most other languages just don't follow. Those of you born outside of North America never learned to use the correct stress in words such as development, engineer, optimize, programmer, negotiate, competitive, IBM, and API. Using the correct syllable stress is critical if you want Americans to understand you. If you speak using the wrong syllable stress, if you say programmer, if you say engineer, if you say development, Americans will not understand what you're saying. That's why learning to stress the correct syllable in IT-related words will be the main focus in this course. Number 2, pace and intonation challenges. Most of you tend to speak with a pace and melody that can be difficult for Americans to understand. You may speak too quickly and without American-style melody or intonation. Your speech may sound monotonous and unfriendly. Speaking with the correct pace and an engaging intonation is an important skill that you'll learn in this course. Number 3, common vowel challenges. You may not always use the correct vowel sounds in words. Some of the most challenging American vowel sounds include A as in gray, A as in black, and OR as in orange. The sounds of the letter O are frequently a challenge. This is because the letter O has at least 5 sounds in spoken American English. In this course, I have integrated the 15 American vowel sounds into the lessons. You'll learn to use them all. Now, finally, common consonant challenges. Many of you need to learn how to articulate the American T sounds and the American TH sounds. You need to learn how to differentiate between the American W and V sounds. And I'll teach you how to pronounce these consonant sounds in the course. In conclusion, international IT professionals like yourself possess highly sought-after programming and engineering skills. American companies and universities value your knowledge, your professionalism, and your work ethic. But unfortunately, many of you don't get the recognition you deserve due to your communication skills. The goal of this course is to help you communicate more clearly and effectively in the IT workplace, make new friends, and create more opportunities for yourself. As the motivational speaker Tony Robbins likes to say, the quality of your communication is the quality of your life, and I'm very pleased to help you achieve this. Susan Ryan, author of American Accent Training for IT Professionals.